Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your time zone because you moved from East Coast to West Coast. How do you actually go ahead and change your time zone to Los Angeles, for example? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is navigate to where it says Settings, scroll down and click on System. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Date and Time. Now, this is the really important step, guys. Where it says Time Zone, you want to go ahead and click on Time Zone. And these are all the time zones that you can set your PS5 to. But there you have it, guys. Go ahead and select the West Coast time zone. So for example, Alaska or Pacific time, and bam. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.